So today's video, we're going to be talking about a few sneaky ways that the insurance companies are trying to use in order to deny your water damage claim. My name's Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. So we're going to review some of these ways that the insurance companies keep on kind of morphing themselves into trying not to pay your claim. So let's talk about a few of these tricky little situations that insurance companies are trying to use against you. So one thing that they're trying to do, and what they've kind of always done, is if you bought the house within 5 years, a lot of times companies like Universal, all right, they're going to want the inspection reports from when you bought the house. And then from there, try to, it's a week try, but they're going to try to blame it on the home inspection guy. This is what they do. So keep this in mind. That's number one. Number two, sometimes they'll want to know, what plumbers have you used in the past? Now, I've seen people volunteer this information. Harmlessly, they think nothing's going to happen. So the field adjuster comes to the house and he asks an innocent question. Oh, what plumbers have you been seeing over the last few years, right? And as you see here, they want to try and show that there's a pattern of issues, that you are not maintaining, or that these items are wear and tear. If it's a pipe, if it's some valves underneath your kitchen sink in the bathroom, right? That their house is poorly maintained is what they're going to try and use. And as I mentioned, they're going to try and act all innocent with this question and just throw it out there. But their intentions are to deny the claim. Oh, tell us what plumbers you've been using lately, right? So it's all part of their plan to deny your claim. Now, the final part, number three, and we're going to talk about this. This is a new trick. So this is their number one new trick. They want you to fill out a plumber assessment form. Have your contractor fill this form out. Let's go through this form. Hold on, let me pull it up here. So let's take a look at the plumber assessment form. To expedite your claim, please provide this form to your plumber and have them fill it out as soon as possible to assist in determining the source of the loss or leak. Let me make a few comments really quick. You have no control over your plumber. You have no control over your roofer, right? My suggestion is I would not have them fill out. Now, there might be some defense attorneys, there might be some claim adjusters. You're not cooperating under the policy. They always try to use this one. You need to cooperate under the policy. Our policy says you have to cooperate. Yes, you do. Your plumber doesn't. Your roofer doesn't. Your handyman doesn't. They are not the insured, right? So, here's the reason why they want this form filled out, because they want to interpret it in a way, or they want to see what your plumber will write. So let's take a look at the questions. Where's the location of the leak? Seems harmless enough, right? What is leaking? What has caused the system or appliance to leak? So 5 or 6 is basically they're looking for the ingredients of their denial pie. That's right. They're looking for the ingredients of their denial cake. What they want to do, let's take number 5. What has caused the system or appliance to leak? Let's just say your plumber put, it was old. The pipe was old. The valve was old, right? In your professional opinion, how long has leak been occurring? What if they just say something like, I don't know? let's say they say 2 or 3 days. Just by these answers, they're going to take one of them and they can use I don't know. So they can use that one and say, well, this is a long-term leak. And per your policy, let's repeat it. I say this in every water damage claim. Constant or repeated seepage or leakage, parentheses that means long-term, is not covered. All right? So what has caused the system or appliance to leak? Pretty much anything that they're going to put here, the insurance company's going to run with it and say it's wear and tear, it's old, it wasn't maintained. They're just looking, like I said, the ingredients to make their denial pie. They're just looking for a way to deny it. That's why you get any of these, if an insurance company other than USAA sends it to you, crumple it up, throw it in the garbage. You can still cooperate. You could ask your plumber. So if the adjuster, if you want to try and handle the claim yourself, you just talk with your plumber. You could tell what the plumber said. That's all. You don't need to go through this plumbing assessment form. There's no value to the insurance company. It's just a way for them to try and get to deny your claim. As I'm telling you guys over and over. So it's actually a pretty savvy little play because it seems very innocent. Once again, my name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster here in Florida. Here's my information if you have any questions or need help with a claim. Thank you for watching this video.